Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the blue AirPods Max, the new USB-C variant. So I got these to try out. I tried them out in the shop, but I found it amazing. So I wanted to get them at home and try them out. I've also got the Sonos 8 coming because I thought that were the main competition to try them. So we'll unbox those over the next few days. So I've got the smart case USB-C in blue. So let's... Now, I know these aren't audiophile grade headphones as such, but this is my sort of first delve into over-ear headphones because I've always been a sort of AirPod and earbuds user rather than an over-ear headphone for convenience. So initial thoughts, these feel amazingly built. The case is terrible, as a lot of third-party reviews have said. But in terms of the actual build quality and weight of these, they feel fantastic. The usual Apple instrumentation and USB-C. This has also been filmed on the iPhone 16 Pro Max because I wanted to give you the idea of the video quality and also the microphone quality. So normally I've got my SLR to film this on with an external mic, so I wanted to give you some ideas of how good the new iPhone is for content creation and video production. So, well, we'll soon see anyway when we get the actual video online, what it's like editing some sort of looks like plastic, but I don't think it is plastic because of the eco-product. The case feels good quality. It's just not very protective of the actual headphones. Then you've got those to protect them. It's a bit of banging going off, which is, for premium headphone, not great, but anyway, they do feel amazing. So, thanks for watching that, guys. I'll get them set up and I'll do my full week review on them and I'll give you my opinions. Please subscribe to the channel if you can. Help support the channel. That's great. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.